Hi, I'm Mehul and welcome to 2 Minutes Crypto. 2 Minutes Crypto is a video series in which I'll be explaining complex and critical cryptocurrency subjects and topics into easier and layman terms so that it's easier for you to understand and it will not waste much of your time, excluding intro and outro. By the end of the video, I'll give you a tip by which whenever you see a sudden rise or a sudden fall in the market, you can easily get to know the reason why is it happening. So it's 2021 and we are into lockdown 2.0. In the last lockdown, we met Zerodha, one of the top performing companies of India. And in this lockdown, we are into cryptocurrencies. So we are making WazirX, one of the most popular Indian startup. Bitcoin is at its highest peak. Dogecoin is going to the moon. Thank you Elon Musk for supporting it. And all of the other cryptocurrencies which were sold in the price of peanuts 10 years down the line are now touching the market cap of $1 trillion. $1 trillion. Yes. Anyways, this is not the topic of today's video. The topic of today's video is why is crypto markets falling? Why do we see a fall in all of the cryptocurrencies? If someone held 1 Bitcoin yesterday, today he must have lost 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees in a single day. And all of the other cryptocurrencies have seen a major fall. But why is that fall, you may ask? The one and only reason is Elon Musk and his Twitter account. People have said that Elon's Twitter account must be banned because he is misusing his Twitter account and he's controlling the prices of all of the cryptocurrencies. He's on a mission to take Dogecoin to the moon, which is just a meme coin. And every day there are 14 million Dogecoin introduced in the system. Every day 14 million Dogecoins. And if we talk about Bitcoins, there are only 21 million Bitcoins which can exist. Dogecoin's prices rose when Elon Musk tweeted that he will accept Dogecoin as a currency when people want to visit Mars through his startup which is called as SpaceX. And today, if you wonder why all of the cryptocurrencies are falling, is because Elon Musk has tweeted that the miners who are mining all the cryptocurrencies, may it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, whatever it is, the people who are mining these cryptocurrencies to earn a reward and validate the transaction, these are basic terms which will get into it in the later videos. But Elon Musk has tweeted that these miners are using resources which are naturally scarce. Like there are people who are using coal as a resource to mine Bitcoin. There are miners who are using other non-renewable sources of energy which will exhaust if all of the miners use this energy. That is why Elon Musk has tweeted that he has stopped accepting Bitcoin as a payment for Tesla. But he has not stopped it completely. If miners switch to something which is renewable like solar energy, then he will start accepting those payments again and probably the price will rise. Now you may ask, is it a good time to invest because it's a dip? Definitely yes. But if you are a trader, then you should not jump into it right now because this is a bull market. And a bull market happens every 4 years. Last time we saw a bull market in 2017. Now we are seeing a bull market in 2021. And this is because of a concept called as halving. So it's the end of the video. If at any point in time you wonder why are crypto prices rising or falling, just do these things. First, go to Elon Musk's Twitter account and see his recent tweet. If you don't see anything there, go to Google and search why are crypto prices rising or falling. If not, come to my channel. And if you're interested in more of cryptocurrency content, I'm planning to make a video series of crypto basics, and all of these videos will be a part of 2 Minutes Crypto series. If this kind of content interests you, consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.